Alright, so we have arrived on shore in Kona after our little Tinder ride, and of course, first stop is the ABC store right here. So let's go in. This little town is so cute. We'll have to try and get back here a little early. See, this was what we were going to do yesterday, was just come down here and walk around and hang out.
Yesterday?
Tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow.
Sorry.
I know, that would have been fun. Oh, well done.
Yeah. Let's check out the Volcano National Park Visitor Center. Which one's for you?
I think they have the same long sleeve shirt Patty got at.
It's different though.
Yeah.
Seriously?
Oh yeah, we want to see these around. They look like Canadian.
They were at my friend's property.
Oh, they were?
There's like 50 of them on the property.
Attention.
My birds die in the park.
Cliffs. Rock falls may occur as the land continues. Should bring at least 2 liters or more of drinking water per person.
So my friend, they are farmers. Property.
We're gonna walk the sulphur vents trail. Beware of steam vents, earth cracks.
And cliffs. Sounds kind of dangerous.
It's so jungle.
Yeah, weird. There's a little cave in there. It's so jungly in here. It's like the Jungle Cruise walk, except in real life.
Jungle Cruise Walk.
Yeah, the Jungle Walk.
Oh, yep.
Well, that makes sense, seeing as how they're both volcanoes.
Welcome to the gallery. Thank you.
walk over and check out the crater rim. Cool. So we managed to snag a parking spot, finally. It was really tough, but we got a spot, and now we're gonna go walk through the lava tube. Well, that was pretty amazing. Glad we stopped. I thought there was a waterfall here
Maybe there
before
was.
the lava
Maybe-
tube.
Yeah, maybe there was. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't remember. Where was that we went, where you walk down and there's a railing with a
That's the only place
waterfall?
that looks familiar from our last trip here. That was the walk-in.
Yeah. I don't remember where that waterfall was.
Yeah, it looks so deserted. Like, what happened?
Yeah. Wonder what all this was.
Why is the sand black in the volcano?
Or whatever. We've made a little stop at the Punalu'u Black Sand Beach down at the southern side of the Big Island. Parking lot was a little weird, a little sketchy. There's like some abandoned buildings up there that are all graffiti. I don't know what that's about. The beach down here, when you get down to the beach, it's beautiful. Beautiful black sand beach. Crashing waves. Very picturesque, perfect Hawaii. Poked his head up, yep. Well, that was pretty awesome. The black sand beach, we were sitting right along the shore, and right where the waves are crashing up onto the beach, there was probably a dozen of those green sea turtles right there under the water. Like right where people were swimming and body surfing, they were just right there swimming around. It's crazy. Pretty amazing out here. Now we'll check out the, they've got like a little craft stand here with some shirts and things. We'll check them out. Oh, they have a sticker. Yeah?
Mm-hmm. Good cash?
I don't have my, yeah, I do. They have postcards. You want to look at them? Mama's getting a shirt and I'm getting a sticker.
And they're separate over there. So.
Oh, that's a different booth? Oh, okay. Never mind.
So shall you pay?
Yeah, go ahead.
Do they have postcards?
Yeah. Oh, them? No, they have stickers. But if you want a postcard, they're 2 for $1.
Oh.
Can you get down?
Alright, we are stopping in the Punalu'u Bake Shop, which is the southernmost bakery in the U.S. because we are in the southernmost town in the U.S. They've got lots of donuts and cake and stuff. Yeah. Want to split a turkey sandwich with me? Sure. It's right there. They're pre-made. Sure. Alright, well, we had a very fun day driving all around the Big Island, all the way across the Saddle Road, through in between the two volcanoes and over to the Hilo side and up to the Volcanoes National Park and all the way down to the southern end, the southernmost town. And now we got to head back to the cruise ship back there, our Pride of America, but we're on our way back and we'll settle in and have some dinner and then relax a little bit. Maybe go to the pool, although there's probably going to be a million people at the pool. Yeah, there's kind of a line for the tender. Nope, we're right on time. We utilized our time perfectly. Very cute, huh, Kira?
It's so cute. I wish we got more time to spend.
When we came and stayed here, we stayed in a timeshare that was not that far that way, just past that big hotel.
Well, that's it for our big day on the Big Island. Be sure to subscribe to see our next episode. Give us a thumbs up, thanks to our subscribers, and thank you for watching.